Dressamatic, change my outfit. No, times a million. Retro. I need retro fashion. Old and classic. I wore this 3 minutes ago.
What about this one?
No, keep looking. God, the Dressamatic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Nova, you're so sensitive about...
I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, boy. Wait, why do people say oh, boy? Why don't they say oh, girl?
Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat.
Or what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
When I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing!
He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Offs blob. Get me out of this costume. Is my machine ready yet?
Needs a smaller battery. Give me 20 minutes.
Plug it in. I need my new outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dressamatic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dressamatic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dressamatic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro? Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are...
Three's the charm. Three's the charm.
Oh, girl.
They've recreated our whole diner!
Those are my one-of-a-kind hairbands.
A million of my sister. This is exactly that nightmare I keep having.
My people, I am here! McLaren, why is no one adoring me? Hello? It's me!
They must think you're one of them. Like, a fan dressed up.
That's hilarious. How could anyone think I'm a normal person? Does that one think I'm normal?
I think so.
And that one? And those... Stop it. I'm gonna go be normal at that one. All right, mate.
Hello.
I'll have a banana smash up with extra blueberries.
Please. All right. Wait here.
Wait. So much fun. No one has ever told me to wait before. But I literally just...
This will be about your concert.
James!
Sorry we had to postpone Nova's big gig until tomorrow, but I promise you it was for the silliest reason. What do you mean the stadium sank? Like, how sunk? Like getting your toes wet sunk, or...? It's at the bottom of a deep-sea trench. No, of course we're not going to cancel a Nova Jones concert. I'll fix this. Oh, how brilliant.
Oh, how brilliant. I love being a security guard. While you were at the toilet, I single-handedly kept the Jefferson completely safe from danger. Wah! I told someone very firmly not to put up any posters. So, what else do security guards do?
I'll tell you.
Sir, yes, sir, I am ready, sir.
Chill. That's how security guarding works. Chair out, feet up, and catch some Z's.
I mean, I love the outfits, but the cleaning, don't you think it just takes so long?
I don't clean. I mean, yeah, so long to do the scrubbing and the licking. Oh, glitter fingers. Excuse me.
We don't need to compete. We don't need to fight for attention. Always looking out for me. He knows he got me to protect him. He always got my back. Yeah, he keeps me on track. Nothing gonna break our family. A friendship unshakable. A loyalty unbreakable. We got that same DNA. It won't ever fade. Yeah, we got a bond that you'll never break. We got that same DNA. Yeah, we always say. Yeah, we got a love growing every day.
And when I got a problem, I know she can turn it around. And when I need attention, she can pick me up when I'm down. She always got my back. Yeah, she keeps me on track. And nothing's gonna break our family.
A friendship unshakable. A loyalty unbreakable. We got that same DNA. It won't ever fade. Yeah, we got a bond that you'll never break. We got that same DNA. Yeah, we always say. Yeah, we got a love growing every day.
Tifa, step back. My limelight.
Indeed. And now, for the first time ever, it's my youngest sister on the drums, Miss Flix!
Whoa, check out McLaren, did you? Ooh!
McLaren has a role model.
You're watching Access All Absolutely Awesome Areas.
This week on AAAAA, we rocket to fame with a tour of Nova Jones's pad, the Jefferson Spaceship.
Welcome to my suite. It's totally sweet. You know, sometimes I can't sleep out of excitement of knowing I actually sleep here.
Absolutely awesome.
I stood there once. Me, Nova Jones, the pop sensation who's played every galaxy in the known universe. And the unknown, too.
Wow. Except the Waggleverse, of course. Fun fact, no performer has ever played there.
And cut to commercials, out of bounds chit-chat. I meant I'll have played every single galaxy as of tonight. Oh, no. That's right. I can exclusively reveal I'll be rocking the Waggleverse tonight.
Another AAAAA exclusive. Stay tuned for more in part 2.
And we're out. This outfit is so part 1. Nova, there's a reason no one plays the Waggleverse. Its atmosphere is pure whiplium. Very pitch to auto-tune nightmare. See? Whiplium. That's not singing. That's career-ending embarrassing. Relax, McLaren. I'm Nova Jones. I don't do embarrassing.
This smells amazing.
It's my own invention. Electro QT hair shocker. It's like the kiss from a bazillion eels.
Planet Sargi and Bargy are ready for your press conference. Now, Nova, if we don't persuade them to let us into the galaxy beyond, we're going to have to go the long way round.
Is that bad?
The last group to travel that route were a boy band called Lad Zone.
Who?
Exactly! By the time they got back, they'd become irrelevant.
Taking this route could mean no more Nova famousness.
It'll never come to that.
My famousness? This is terrible managing. McLaren, sometimes I just want to squirble you. Is my hair finished?
Yep, here you go.
I love it! Wow! Nova, you look incredible!
Did you hear that? The sound of a bad manager grovelling.
I used to have a bothersome brother myself. Used to make me feel as small as a nose hair. Till I got me barnet loaded up with confidence colour.
Get an inside scoop. Delicious. Captain salute. Don't need permission. Phone off the hook. They all want my digits. So much energy, yeah. Most of it's it. Managing one problem at a time. Traveling with my sister for life. Come see the life of Nova. Sometimes it's out of control, yeah. I always fix it all though. And I'm alone with the show, yeah. Welcome to my life. Family is my everything. Watch me how I shine, I'll blow your mind. Come see the life of Nova. Sometimes it's out of control, yeah. I always fix it all though. And I'm alone with the show, yeah.
Wait!
A scrunched up paper dream dress.
Fabulous, Nova! Just fabulous! Who are you wearing?
It's a cloho, no joke. A close Nova Jones club. Together at last.
Oh, goodness, Nova, your dress is amazing.
Congratulations, Nova. I won. Thank you. I want to thank all the Novalites out there. And there's someone else I really want to thank. Calling Kid Songwriter. This is Kid Songwriter. He's written so many songs with me. K.S. I'm sorry I took you for granted. I'd only be half a pop star without you.
All right, stop waving. This is still my night.